Hello there, informed beauties. Your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we are going to be discussing the benefits of rose quartz rollers and how to use it. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and if you like what I do here, give me a big thumbs up and share me with the world. Okay, you guys, so if you are familiar, I received a rose quartz roller in the Goddess Provisions box, and I was really excited because I've always had my eye on these and I've always wanted to try them. I heard they have so many great benefits for the skin, and so today we're going to talk all about it and I'm gonna demo it for you guys and everything. Okay, so let's get into the benefits of rose quartz. So let's discuss the benefits of the rose quartz stone, or the rose quartz crystal. Rose quartz is known for bringing love, happiness, and peace to you. It heals the heart, it lowers stress, it gets rid of tension, and so the stone itself overall has a lot of great benefits of bringing happiness and joy into your life and attracting happiness and joy and calming you. So I definitely like rose quartz for that benefit. Next, we're going to jump into the benefit of the roller, like the actual roller, whether it's rose quartz or jade, any material. Using the roller itself, what it does for the skin: it relieves tension, it reduces puffiness, it drains the lymphatic system, it's beauty boosting, anti-aging, and it increases blood circulation, which is all good for the skin. This is like a little facial massager, and so whenever you massage the face, if you guys remember in my how to apply moisturizer video, I was telling you guys it's very important to massage the face, get that blood circulation going, keeping everything in an upward motion. It will keep you looking younger, it will keep the skin looking vibrant. That's the same thing with this, okay? It's just you're not using your fingers, you're using an actual tool to roll and massage the skin. So now that you know the benefits of rose quartz, the benefits of using a roller, I'm going to jump into showing you guys how I use the roller and my thoughts. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to share with you guys how to use the rose quartz roller. First thing first, you want to make sure that you have sanitized the roller. Anything that you are putting on your face, you want to make sure that it's cleansed and sanitized, okay? So you don't apply any bacteria to skin. How you would do that is that you can either take an antibacterial soap and cleanse the roller, and I would say cleanse it with some soap, antibacterial soap, and you want to use either an alcohol spray. I'm using witch hazel that has a little bit of alcohol in it, and I'm going down and I'm actually wiping down the rollers with that now. Of course, you want to make sure that your face is cleansed before you do this. Don't do this with a face full of makeup or with a face that is dirty. Make sure you thoroughly cleanse your face before starting to use the roller. Now, before you start rolling the skin, you want to apply an oil of some sort, or either like a spray, something that's going to give moisture to the skin. So what I'm going to be using is the Skyn.Spiritualist Body Rose Quartz Inspired Illuminator for body and face. This is an all-natural ingredient, and it also says that it is for all skin types. Drench your skin in a radiant rose ivory glow, softens imperfections with a blend of pure plant oils. Carry the soft feminine energy of rose quartz to promote feelings of peace. Suggested use is that you can apply 5 to 7 drops on freshly washed skin. Can be used in place of a primer. And then they have a bunch of great oils and ingredients in here. It's all natural. And if you guys are wondering where this came from, this also came from the Goddess box, Provisions box for the month of December, as well as the rose quartz was in that box as well. I will leave a link down below for that video and where you can find these products. Okay, so I'm going to take a few drops of this and I'm just going to apply it to face. Not a lot, just a little bit. And it smells delicious. It's a very soft scent to it. And then I'm just going to take it and I'm going to massage this oil into my face. Okay, and then once your oil is evenly distributed across your face, you want to go ahead and take your roller this lovely thing here. And now there are two sides to the roller. You have a bigger size on the roller. This is for larger portions of the face. And then you have smaller sizes, a smaller size of the roller. And this is for smaller areas like the eye and around the eye area, in between, things of that sort, to be more pinpoint. Now, how you use this roller is you want to move everything outward, 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 okay? And you want to go into one direction. So you want to go like this. You can go over the same part 3 times. And it feels really good, you guys. It feels really good. And then I'm going to flip it over, take the smaller section, and I'm going to do it underneath the eye a little bit. Like this. So it feels really amazing. This is my first time using a roller. I always want to use a roller. If you guys don't know, this is my first time actually experimenting with a roller. It is so relaxing. It definitely helps to relax the muscles in the face, and I can definitely see myself using this in my weekly, maybe daily routine. Alright, you guys, so that is it. That is how you use the roller. That is the benefits of rose quartz, the benefits of using the roller, and I like it. I do see myself using this in my daily skincare routine, as well as maybe in my weekly routine, and I just like how it just feels. It's cool, it glides on the skin, it just makes your skin feel really good and alive, and why not? Like, this is a little tool that can help keep you looking younger. So I really do like this tool, and I will continue to use it, and I'm really excited that I got my hands on it. If you guys have any questions on the rose quartz roller, leave them down below. If you guys use it, let me know. If you use the rose quartz, the jade roller, I know they have other crystal rollers out there as well. Let me know down below. But thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.